Yo, what's good? It's your boy Wolver. Today, we're stepping into the shadows. We're not just talking about crypto, we're hunting in the deep ends of the blockchain. I'm about to show you exactly how to generate and scan BIP39 seed phrases automatically. No theory, no fluff, just raw execution. Let's lock in. Step 1. Open the lab. Fire up VS Code. Go to File, New File. Name it whatever you want. But here's the immutable rule. It has to end with .py. That's how the machine recognized this as a Python weapon, a precision instrument built for one purpose. And if you want the exact source code I'm about to run, the gateway is waiting. Telegram link is in the description. One click, you're in. Step 2, inject the code. Now paste the code in. Look at this. Clean, modular, absolutely dangerous in the right hands. You see this interface? That's not some basic command line trash. This is a full graphical user interface built with tkinter. Lightweight, but nasty. Gives you complete tactical control over the entire scan operation. Auto-scan, generate wallet, multi-chain switching. It's all right here, waiting for your command. Step 3. Peek under the hood. Let me show you what's really going on beneath the surface. Check the File Explorer. This isn't a single script, it's an army. Dedicated handlers for Ethereum smart contracts, Solana integration at the protocol level, Bitcoin, API connectors hardened for speed, everything modular, everything optimized for maximum performance. I'm running this inside a virtual environment to keep dependencies like Web3 and Base 58 tight, clean, and untraceable. The heart of this beast, entropy generation at the cryptographic level. We're creating mathematically secure seed phrases and deriving addresses using the exact same hierarchical deterministic paths that hardware wallets use. Ledger, Trezor, doesn't matter. This bot speaks their native language fluently. Step 4, go multi-chain. Looks up here at the network selection panel. This is where most scanners meet their grave. Single chain trash. Not this one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama, Solana, toggle them all at once. This bot doesn't hunt one blockchain. It hunts the entire ecosystem simultaneously, casting a wider net than anything you've seen. Cross-chain recovery, educational research into the mathematics of probability, or just flexing on everyone who told you it couldn't be done. The choice is yours. Step 5, pull the trigger. Let's hit Start Autoscan. Boom. Look at that. The interface just woke up, and it's hungry. Behind the scenes, the backend is generating valid BIP39 seed phrases at speeds that would melt lesser machines. For every single phrase, it derives public addresses for every network you selected, at the exact same millisecond. Watch the current wallet display. You see that? 12 words, 24 words, all rolling in real time like a cryptographic waterfall, and right next to it, the specific address being queried across multiple chains simultaneously. Now look at the scan results window. Those logs, that's live API pings firing across the globe. The bot is reaching out to Blockstream for Bitcoin, hammering Solana mainnet RPC, querying Ethereum archive nodes, asking the blockchain one question. Does this address exist? Does it carry a balance? Has it ever been touched by human hands? And the blockchain answers. Every single time. No hesitation, no mercy. The real talk. Here's what you're really watching unfold. This is the bridge between local cryptographic generation and live on-chain data, a connection most people don't even believe is possible until they see it running. You're visualizing the astronomical scale of the blockchain address space, more combinations than atoms in the observable universe, and this bot marches through them, one seed at a time, non-stop, while you sleep, while you eat, while you live your life. It's beautiful, it's terrifying, and it's the ultimate reminder of a truth that never sleeps. Your seed phrase is the key to your digital empire. Guard it with fire, because out there in the darkness, bots like this exist, and they never, ever stop hunting. The Wolver invite. Building this project was a deep dive into the mathematical foundations of modern finance and cross-chain compatibility at the protocol level. It's been a relentless journey developing this bot, and I hope this gave you a clear, unfiltered look at how these systems really work under the hood. If you want the code, if you want to join the Legion, the Telegram link is waiting in the description. That's where the real ones gather, where the knowledge flows, and where the boundaries get pushed. Thanks for watching. Stay dangerous, stay encrypted, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and join the movement, because in this game, the ones who know, win. Wolver out.